Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you're not sure about Stitch Fix, if you have any questions, down below is my link. You get $25 towards your first fix, which is awesome. And there's free shipping both ways. You can get jewelry, purses, anything you want. It's really awesome clothing wise. So if you like these kind of videos, keep on watching. Okay, so in the box you get 5 items and you get your return label bag where you can ship back any items you don't want, as well as the style card and your price sheet. Okay, so here's my style card. Let's see if my stylist is still Brianna. It is. Okay, so here is the style card. And the first item here is we have a purse. It looks like a mustard color. It is Madewell Simple Pouch Crossbody in mustard. And it's a cute zipper, very sturdy. It's kind of small though. I like crossbodies, but I don't know if this would fit all my stuff. Has one opening, and in here it's Madewell, and there's a tag. And I'm trying to see if this is leather because I think it is. Oh, but it smells like leather, so I think it is leather. It's really cute, but it is small. So I will show it and try it on for you guys. Has a nice strap. It's adjustable. So we'll see. So let's get into the bundle. We'll do prices at the end. And on the try on, I'll have a picture of the items over here. If you like anything, then you can let your stylist know and they can find it for you. Okay, so the next item we have here looks like a pair of white jeans. Looks like they have some distressing here on the knees and raw hem at the bottom. Looks like they're a little dirty right here. You can see that. But yeah, I mean, they're white jeans. They are just black and they're Stitch Fix exclusive. And they are the Just Black Marie Distress Release Hem Skinny Jeans in white. So they're cute. I have a pair of jeans that I got from Stitch Fix before, and they were really comfortable, but these are really, really soft. Let me close that, sorry. Next item we have here, this top is super cute. It is a cold shoulder crisscross top. And you can see the cold shoulder. It is navy. It looks like it has lemons on it. Super cute with the white pants and the crisscross. So let's see what this is. This is the Kalia Valet cold shoulder blouse in navy. So that's cute. I like that. It would definitely go very nicely with the white jeans. So there, very nice. Okay, next item. Looks like a boho kind of top. It's alright. I'm not really a fan of boho. Looks like it has some kind of embroidery or design right here, and it has a tie front, and looks like elastic sleeve. So this is kind of cute. Pink. Let's see what it is. It is the Mason & Bell Adria tie front top in light pink. So we'll try it with the white jeans and see what it looks like. It is a cute outfit. Next we have is a gray, looks like tie front tank top. Super cute. It's a little wrinkly. Let's see what it is. 9 Britton Levy sleeveless knot front knit top in light gray. So that's my 5 items. So what I'm going to do is try everything on and then come back with my final thoughts and prices for you guys. Okay, so the first item is the crossbody bag. It is really adorable with this outfit, but I think it's a little small. It really won't fit much of my stuff in it, but it is cute. Really cute. Let me know what you guys think, but I wish it was just a little bit bigger. Okay, next we have this really adorable top. I just have it paired with a nude bra. I love navy. The designs are really cute. The lemons, it's super pretty for spring. And I like the crisscross back. You can see the tag. But here, let me move it so you can see. But yeah, I mean, it's adorable. I like how it has the sleeves and it's kind of like a high-low. Very pretty. Very springy. Okay, next are the jeans. They fit really nice. They fit like perfectly. They're super stretchy. You can see the distressing on the knees. Yeah, these are a really nice pair of white jeans. Currently I'm not in need of them because I have a pair that I got from Stitch Fix, but they're really adorable with this top. Okay, next is the gray top. I absolutely love this too. It fits super nice. I love the tie here in the front, the knot. I just bought a top that has this in my last Stitch Fix. So yeah, this is adorable. I love the gray. Very cute. Okay, last is this top. I like how it fits here and it falls at my waist, and I like the tie. It's cute, but I'm not a big boho person and this neckline is a little different. It's a little bit short in the back. Yeah, this would look cute. I mean, it's okay. It's not bad with the jeans, but I'm not really a boho kind of girl. Okay, I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Just want to let you guys know this is my Stitch Fix number 50, so that's awesome. So the pricing on the items, so this top I'm wearing, it is the Cold Shoulder Kayla blouse, and it's $38. That's a deal. I totally like this a lot. Next item is this Madewell crossbody purse. It's $98. Wow, it's really pricey. Next we have here is the gray 9 Britain top right here, and this is $32, which is really cute. That's a deal. Next item is this Mason and Bell top, the boho top. This is $42. And last but not least is the Just Black white jeans, and they're $88. So the total for my fix is $298. Buy all 5 discount brings it down to $74.50 off, and my subtotal is $223.50. So this one was a higher fix. I did put all my items as cheaper the better. This item was cheaper, and the gray top. So I'm not sure why the $98 purse and the $88 jeans, but who knows. So I think I'm probably gonna keep this top and the gray top. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And thank you guys for watching. Check out Stitch Fix, click on my link, and you'll get $25 towards your first fix. So that's awesome. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.